In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 5th generation, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. In them, select Connected Devices and tap on Connection Preferences. Now click on Printing, tap on Default Print Service and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then tap on the back button and choose Add Service. Finally, install the best one for you, and when it's ready, tap on the back button twice. Then just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!